Hi, today I'm come back here to review one of the outstanding, affordable and cheap K5 in our company. This is a 2011 with 156,000 kilometers. The car is in a very good condition. It's a gasoline with a gray color. This car has many options, including a very beautiful panorama roof with power seats, memory seats, and heated seats. Okay, let's walk throughout the exteriors and interiors of this car to show you the different parts and provide more details about the car. I'm trying always to find good cars with good price to present for you. So if you want to drive this car inside the courier, or if you are somebody that wants to export this car to your country or any other countries, please feel free to contact us. Yes, as you can see, this car comes with a very brightening gray color. It has very beautiful wheels, and also the tires have enough treads, so you don't need to replace them immediately. The car does not have main scratches or dent, just a very small scratches outside, but they can be solved very easily. You are seeing the car from the back sides. You can see K5 GDI. Very nice car. Okay, let's show you the trunk. As you can see, it has a very spacious trunk. Okay, let's go inside the car. As you can see, this car has folding mirror, and you can open the fuel and the trunk from this bottom. This car has memory seat. As you can see, it has a powered seats. You are seeing that the seats are in leather. There is no scratches. Totally, the car is very nice and clean. It has high pass and also black box. Yes, back seat. As you can see, this car, even the back seats have heated seat. Yeah, you can see that it's very clean, nice. You can also see the panorama roof. I will show you how it is open. I just got inside the car. Let me first start the engine. As you can see, it's a start button. As you can see, this car has been just driven 157,929 kilometers just. The car is in a very good condition. Yeah, this car has heated seat and ventilated seat for driver seats. Yes, the steering is very smooth. Let's open the sunroof. Yeah, very nice sunroof. And let me open it. And close. Okay, let's test the emission. If you put it in R, totally no shock. It means that the transmission is in a very good condition. In N, we put it in D. Yeah, no shock. Let's have a very short test drive. Yes. Yeah. As you can see, the acceleration is very powerful. Yeah. The steering is very smooth. Brake system works very well. Okay, let's continue. It's totally in a very good condition. Okay friends, we did a very short test drive. Totally, this car is in a very good condition. I strongly recommend it for anybody who is interested to drive sedan vehicle. As you know, K5 is one of the reliable and strong sedan vehicle in South Korea. It is very popular. This is 2011, but this car is in a very good condition. The acceleration is very powerful, the steering is very smooth, and the brake system works well. The only thing is that this front fender is changed. This is completely normal for a car with already 14 years age. I think it's very normal. So anybody who wants to drive this beautiful car with panorama roof, with heated seats, powered seats, please feel free to contact me. Or anybody who wants to also export this car to their country, you can also contact me. I always try to find good cars with good price to record video and present them to you. So if you are interested, you can come and take it.